Let's make this in Figma. Face, blue, red, pink, blue. Body, blue, red, pink, or yellow, or blue, or red. Shorts, red, pink, blue, for example, blue. Shoes, blue, red, pink, or yellow. And the hat, look at the hat. Has hat? No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Let's create it. Okay, let's make it from the scratch. I press F on the keyboard, or from bottom here, this toolbar, I press the frame. And from here on the right toolbar, I choose Android Compact. Then from these lovely robots, I choose this one and put it in the middle here. Very good, very nice. Then I can write a title here. For example, choose your, I don't know, favorite color. Okay, choose your favorite color. Very good. That's it. Okay, so nice up to here. Then after that, I would write, for example, first of all, I want to talk about the head. I write, for example, head color. Head. That's head is okay. Then let's make it regular. Then in this tutorial, we don't want to focus on the UI, but a little bit. This one head for regular. Then I can now draw my color palette. Yes. So again, I press F. Then this one I choose, for example, 40. That's very good. For the color, I choose our default color would be the robot's color. Then I can make it surround. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Then this one, I duplicate it. Control D. So when you press Control D, you can have the duplicate, yes? Or you can make it copy, like here. Control C, then Control V. Then I select both of them and press Shift A to have the auto layout. Then again, Control D, four colors I think would be okay. Then I choose this one and again I press Shift A to have the auto layout. Then I will choose 3-4 more colors. The first one, blue. This one, I choose the red one, for example. And for this one, I can have the pink. Yeah, that's for the head. So that's very good. You can add more colors if you like it. Then from the local variable, guys, I will define a color. So here I press create variable, then choose color. For example, I write face. Yes, face. Then for the default color, I choose this, the face, the color of the robots, the face of that. Then that here is important. I choose the face, and from here, I click here, fill, press on these 4 buttons, 4 square, and choose face. It means that I bind these two together, head and the color. I bind them together. So I do it for the body. I define a new local variable, create variable color. I write body, and then for the color, I choose again the body, and I create another one for example, for the shoes. Yes, shoes. That's okay. Then again, the color of the shoes, default of that. Very good, very nice. And I press this one, I close it, and bind this color to the body. And the shoes, I select both of them and also add to the shoes. Very good, very nice. Okay, now let's bind these colors to the variables. So I click on the first color, the first circle, yellow one. I press prototype or Shift E. Then I click this one, interactions, unclick, action, and set variable, choose face, and then this one. I do the same thing for the bottom, interaction, unclick, set variable, face, and the value would be blue. This one, do the same action, unclick, action, set variable, face, and then value. Very good. And the last one, unclick, set variable, face, and this one. Very good. Let's see the result. So here, when I press Shift Space, I will see the result. Yes. Okay. Now, when you click also on this button, you will see you will have on the new window. So when I click blue, look at the face of the robot. When I click red, when I click pink, red, blue, yellow, red, blue. Very good, very nice. So guys, you can do these things also for the rest of the body. Yes, for the rest of the body, you can do that. So I make a copy of the face, Control D, then I select both of them, Shift A, and face, for example, and the shoes. So I write here face and then shoes. Yes, very good, very nice. So, but it is important, you should change all the actions. So, first of all, I choose for this one. Instead of face, I should write here body and the shoes. So I double click on that. I click here, change face to body, and the color would be the same. This one, face, body, and I select these one together and change face to body. And for the rest, for the shoes, I select these 4 together. I press Shift and click on these lines. So then I will have, instead of face, I will have shoes. So let's see the result. When I click blue, see the head of the face of the robots will change. Body, wow, amazing. Shoes, look at the shoes, guys. Look at the shoes, amazing. Very good. I really love it. So again, we can change also the color of the shorts. So face, body, duplicate it, and I write here shorts. So I will connect this one. I can add another variable. Of course, you can connect them, for example, to the same, but it will face with some problems. But I will have another variable. I call it shorts, and the color of that would be the base color of the shorts. Very good. So guys, if you see, if I bind shorts to the, for example, to the color of the, for example, shoes. So see, when I change the shorts color, see, or body, or shoes, see, 2 of them will change. Red, shorts and shoes, blue, short and shoes. So we should have this different, yes, variables. So again, I go to prototypes, and I press Shift, I choose these ones, and instead of body, I choose shirts. Now I think it works. Body, short, red. So let's see what is the problem here. Yes, shorts here, shorts, the color, the body. I think the blue, the red is okay, and that's okay. Very good. So let me change this color to the wow. I had some mistake here. So local variable, I choose this one, and for the shorts, I can add this color, and I think that should work now. I don't see any problem here. Let's press Shift A, Shift space. So for the shoes, blue. No. I understood. I didn't change it. So let's change it to shorts. Now it works. I understood the problem. So here the face. Let's see it here and make it bigger and bigger. Wait to let's see to connect it. So face, red, pink, blue, yellow, red. Body, blue, and the shorts, pink, and the shoes, blue. Okay, guys, let me show you something more interesting. Yes, this robot has a hat. I want to show you something with the switch. We want disappear and appear the hat. See? So first of all, let me draw a switch. Yes, so fast. So for example, the color of that, let me choose the black one, and the radius, that's okay. 42 is okay. And I draw a circle here. For example, 8 is okay. And let's make it in the middle. Yes, very good. That's very okay. 32 and 32 would be better also. So here, then let me duplicate it and put it on the right side. Very nice. So let me, for example, change to black, red, excuse me, and this one to white, for example. So I select both of them on the right side. I click create, choose multiple components and combine as a variance. So I bring it here, guys. Very nice, very good. So I go to prototype, Shift E, select this handle, on drag, on top, on drag, and this one again on drag. Very good, very nice. We can say instant instead of smart animate. Oh, smart animate is beautiful also. Smart animate, very good, smart animate. So also here, when you back to design, the property, the name, for example, we choose has hat. So true, has hat, true, the first one, and the right one false. Yes. So I duplicate the first one, that's true. I bring it here, so I duplicated this one, then I delete, and I write here has hat. Yes, has hat. So now we have the switch, but see guys, if we drag on that, nothing will happen. Yes, drag, click, nothing will happen. So why the right one is the not drag? That's on tap, on drag. So both of them now are on drag. So I click on the hat. Before that, we should have another local variable, which name is we choose the boolean. So let me make it again. So let me delete this. So create variable. Here we choose boolean. So boolean, I write the name has hat, and the default value is true. So I close it, and I come back here, choose the hat, and I choose the appearance. Yes, from here, appearance. I click right on the eye, and I choose has hat. Click right and has hat. It means that hat is binded to that boolean variable. Very nice. So again, nothing will happen. I double click on this switch. Yes, and here on the top right has hat. I click on this diagonal shape, assign variable. I click on that, choose has hat. So see what will happen. Let me bring let me choose it here. Let me bring the robot a little bit down. Okay, now it would be better. So if you see that, when I drag, there is no hat. When I drag, it has a hat. Very nice, very good. I really love it. That's very interesting, guys. That's very interesting. So that's kind of mini game. Yes, that's a kind of mini game. See, hat, no hat, hat, no hat. Very good. Now you can see, you can choose the body color, the shorts color, the shoes color. I really love it. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm sure that you don't believe it. We can make this with Figma. Thank you thank you very much, guys, that you've seen this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, with your, I don't know, the people who wants to learn Figma, exactly prototype. My name is Dimo. I'm very happy. Give us a comment, press the like button. Thank you very much.